Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Foundation Tier Paper 1 from November 2018, and this is a non-calculator paper and we're on question 14. So we can see that we've got a quadrilateral ABCD with its sides extended. So a quadrilateral means it's got four sides, and we're given the information that AB is equal to AD. So that's talking about the length of AB, which is this one from A here to B, which we're showing by this, is equal to the length of A to D. So if we put a little line on like that, that means they're equal. And we've got to show that ABCD is a kite. So in order to do this, we need to understand something about a kite. So here's a kite that I've drawn. So apart from actually looking like a kite, so you can imagine one of the kites that you would fly like this, but it's actually more than just looking in like a particular shape. It's got some properties, and one of the properties is that we've got equal and opposite angles are equal. So it's got one pair of opposite angles that are equal to each other, and the other properties are that it's got two pairs of sides that are also equal to each other. So that means that that side and that side would be equal in length, and also this side and this side would be equal in length. In our case, in order to prove that it is a kite, since we have been told that we've got two equal sides there in length, all we actually need to do is prove that this angle is equal to this angle, because that's the pair of opposite equal angles. And then if those were equal, actually it would have to be the case that that and that were equal to each other. So all we need to do is show that these opposite angles are equal to each other. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and find this angle here, this one I've indicated, which if I use three letters to represent that angle is actually ADC, with the letter at the middle being where the angle is. Now ADC is going to equal, and if I look at this, it's on a straight line, so ADC plus that 75 must make 180 degrees. So in fact ADC would equal 180 minus 75, and I've got to give a reason for it as well. So I'm going to put down there that angles on a straight line add up to 180. And I always like to put it in brackets at the end of the calculation that I've done. So we can see that 180 minus 75 is actually 105 degrees. So we've got that one there, 105 degrees. So we need to find this one. Now we can't find it straight away, but what we can do is we could find all these angles within the quadrilateral first of all, or all the other ones at least, because we can find this one. And we know that when we've got a sort of cross situation there, then whatever angle this is, this one is going to be equal, and that's going to be 50 degrees. And the reason we say that is that it's called an opposite angle. So I can call the angle there, because the letter's got to be at the centre, I can call it BCD, and I can say BCD equals 50 degrees because opposite angles are equal. So now we've got that one BCD, we've got three of the four angles inside the quadrilateral, and we can find the fourth one, and that's because the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So the angle ABC, which is this one here, ABC, must equal 360 degrees minus all the other angles added together. So if I add the 100, the 105 and the 50 together, then I can find angle ABC. And the reason I'm going to put at the end of this is that angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So that's a bit similar to saying angles in a triangle add up to 180. Well, angles in a quadrilateral four-sided shape always add up to 360. So if I try and work that out, then I've got 360, just adding up what's inside the bracket, 100 plus 105 is 205, plus the 50 is 255. And then if we then subtract that, we'll get 105 degrees. So now what we've shown is that angle ADC equals angle ABC. So ADC equals ABC, and we can see that they both equal 105 degrees. And we've actually proven it then. We've proven that the opposite angles are equal, so it must be a kite. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has been, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button at the bottom. Thanks for watching.